Welcome to all. Today topic graph theory presented by S. Prabha, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Mathematics, Arignar College, Arts and Science, Krishnagiri. Now we are going to discuss about graph theory basic definitions. A generalization of the simple concept of a set of dots, links, edges or arcs. Representation graph G equal to V comma E consists set of vertices denoted by V or by V of G and set of edges E or E of G. Edge type directed ordered pair of vertices represented as U comma V directed from vertex U to V. Undirected unordered pair of vertices represented as U comma V disregards any sense of direction and treats both n vertices interchangeable. Loop. A loop is an edge whose endpoints are equal, that is, an edge joining a vertex to itself is called a loop, represented as U comma U equal to U. Multiple edges. Two or more edges joining the same pair of vertices. Simple or undirected graph consists of V, a non-empty set of vertices, and E, a set of unordered pair of distinct elements of V called edges are undirected. Representation example G of V comma E, V equal to U comma V comma W is the set of all vertices and E equal to UV, VW and UW is the set of all edges. Multigraph G of V comma E consists of set of vertices V and set of edges E, a function f from E to U comma V belongs to V, U not equal to V, edges E1 and E2 are called multiple or parallel edges if f of E1 equal to f of E2. Represented example U comma V comma W is the set of all vertices and E equal to E1, E2, E3 is the multiple edges. Pseudograph G of V comma E consists of set of vertices V, set of edges E and a function f from E to U comma V belongs to V. Loops allowed in such a graph. Representation example V equal to U comma V comma W is the set of all vertices and E equal to E1, E2, E3, E4 is the set of all edges. Directed graph G of V comma E, set of vertices V and set of edges E that are ordered pair of elements of V are direct edges. Represented example G of v comma e, v equal to u comma v comma w is the set of all vertices, e equal to uv, vw and wu is the arcs of the graph. Directed multigraph. G of v comma e consists of a set of vertices v, set of edges e, and a function f from e to u comma v. U comma v belongs to v, and edges e1 and e2 are multiple edges if f of e1 equal to f of e2. Representation example, v equal to u, v, w and e equal to e1, e2, e3 and e4. Graph type. Edges, multiple edges allowed, loops allowed. Simple graph. Undirected, no multiple loops and multiple edges. Multigraph. Undirected, multiple edges allowed and no loops. Pseudograph. Undirected, multiple edges and loops both are allowed. Directed graph. Direct edges, no multiple edges and loops are allowed. Directed multigraph. Directed edges, both multiple edges and loops are allowed. Complete graph. Kn. Kn is the simple graph that contains exactly one edge between each pair of distinct vertices. Represent example, K1 complete graph, K2 complete graph, K3 complete graph and K4 complete graph. Thank you.